Isabel P. San Juan from BSN2B.
And I am Darlene De Francisco. Today we're serving you the ultimate crash course on badminton, from its history all the way to its rules. Ready to smash it?
Let's go! So, badminton actually started way back in 1800s in India, where it was known as Pune. British officers brought it to the England, and it got its name from Badminton House, a big estate where the game became popular.
Modern badminton evolved into an Olympic sport in 1992, totally leveling up its global status. Now let's talk about the badminton court. A singles court measures 13.4 meters long and 5.18 meters wide, while doubles is wider, about 6.1 meters. The net sits right in the middle, 1.55 meters high at the edges.
Next is the badminton racket, and it has a frame, string bed, shaft, grip, and handle, and it is important for control and power.
Choosing the right racket can seriously up your game, from lightweight shafts for speed to sturdy frames for powerful smashes.
Now, let's talk about the 5 basic skills in badminton. Number 1. Gripping. Forehand grip. Lightly press your index finger against one of the wider surfaces of the handle while holding the racket with the rest of your fingers. Position your thumb near the widest part of the handle to form a V shape between your thumb and index finger. Backhand grip. The thumb plays an important role here. For a backhand shot, place your thumb on one of the wider surfaces of the handle and gently push your index finger toward the middle finger. Number 2. Ready position. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your center of gravity by bending your knees slightly. Shift your weight forward onto the balls of your feet. Your racket position depends on the game situation but should never dangle near your ankles. When in position, hold your racket out in front of you, away from your body. Number 3. 4 basic strokes. Overhead forehand. The most common stroke and usually the first one you learn. Overhead backhand. Often considered a player's main weakness but essential to master. Underarm forehand. A low shot played on the forehand side. Underarm backhand. A low shot played on the backhand side. Number 4. The badminton serve. High serve. Hold the shuttlecock with the head facing downward so it drops straight down when released. Low serve. Hold the feathers with the shuttlecock's head facing downward, positioning the racket behind the shuttlecock to serve it just above the net. Number 5. Footwork. Badminton is all about speed. The shuttlecock moves extremely fast, so you need to move even faster to reach and hit it. Effective court movement typically follows a star or asterisk pattern to cover all directions quickly.
For example, the smash is all about power and precision, great for winning points quickly.
On to the rules. A match is played best of 3 games, each up to 21 points. You score a point whenever you win the rally, regardless of who served. If it's 20 to 20, you need to win by 2 points. But if it reaches 29 to 29, the next point wins. Also, remember, the shuttle must land within the court boundaries. Stepping out means a point for the other side.
It's the basic foundation of badminton. Don't forget to practice those basic skills. Consistency is key. Thanks for watching!